Hi, I'm Mike Letsky. I'm the inventor of the SmartMow robot lawnmowers.
My name is Victor Echeverria. I'm the lead mechanical engineer at RoboLabs, and I'm working on the SmartMow line of lawnmowers. My mission is to make the coolest, safest lawnmower in the world.
Hi, my name is Nicholas Mejia. I'm working as the electrical engineer for RoboLabs Inc. And I'm working on the SmartMow so I can free up your Saturdays and perhaps we can grab a drink or just hang out.
So why are we building SmartMows? Well, just in the United States alone, nearly 300,000 people are injured by human-powered lawnmowers every single year. The number of injuries keep rising every single year. It's a growing trend that I just don't think big lawnmower companies understand. As an engineer, I figured, well, how do you fix that problem? You develop better technology. You develop a safer lawnmower. And that's exactly what the SmartMow is. It's the safest lawnmower in the world. And yeah, it's a cool looking robot too. So what makes SmartMow safer than any other robot lawnmower out there? Well, I would have to say it's the mechanical design and the speed of information that really sets the SmartMow apart.
To demonstrate how the SmartMow has been engineered to be superior and safer to the other robot lawnmowers, I'll show you how the blades on the lawnmower have been positioned in a way that there won't be any contact made with the blades. We modeled a size 7 2-year-old girl's shoe. Now notice that the shoe will not come into contact with the blades, rather will come into contact with the chassis first. The vehicle's been designed in a way that the blades remain above the chassis, the bottom of the chassis, in order to provide a safer robot.
The SmartMow now comes with a safety feature which is a proximity sensor. It protects you or your pet if you get too close, and it shuts down as soon as it feels your signal. It will send the signal to the processor, and as you get closer, you can see how the signal changes. Using software algorithms, we will make the microcontroller detect a threshold of the signal, and at some level it will stop the blades and the motors. So the SmartMow will stop moving.
So the robot can make decisions faster and just shut everything down instantly. Now, how does that compare to other robot lawnmowers out there, or automated lawnmowers? Well, if you read their data sheets, they have mechanical tilt switches, which means you have to mechanically, physically make contact with that vehicle. You have to lift up that vehicle to a certain degree, and then it takes them 1 to 3 seconds to turn off those blades. We need your help to enter production, which will enable us to replace all dangerous lawnmowers with a new safe SmartMow.